Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the system after you have some issue or mess up with the software. First of all, go to Setting, go to System Info, System Recovery. Click on this one and the whole system will restart and then reset to the factory default. After reset the system, you need to change some setting, adjust the setting on your vehicle. First of all, after you reboot and after you reset, and then you can go to Setting and then go to Factory 1314. Click OK. And then you can see that the first four options must be on. Do not turn on this option. Turn on the Bluetooth, turn on the AUX. And then remember the last mode, you can change this one to Android interface. You can follow this one to set up your system. Okay, do not change any setting here. AUX switching mode, switch to manual. AUX auto switching, change to other. And the lock. If the lock doesn't work, the command button on the center console, if that one is not working after the installation, you can change this one to A or change it to B and try which one fits your vehicle. And then most selection is going to be enable, and voice key control, you can select the third option. Do not change anything here. And another thing is, this one is for NTG 4.0, okay? When you switch back to the original screen, if there's some problem when you display the original screen, then you need to adjust the setting here. You can change to 17 or 18, or maybe if it doesn't work, then you can change to 12 or 13. You can try which one will be compatible with your vehicle. And other than that, CAN protocol. If your car is NTG 4.0, then you need to go to 4.0. Do not change to 4.5. 4.5 is only applied to the Mercedes-Benz from 2012 to 2014. If your Mercedes-Benz is from 2015 and up, then it's going to be 5.0C. I just need to correct my mistake. If the car comes with the original navigation, you need to change to 13 or 14. If the car comes with the 8 inches original navigation, you need to change the setting to 13 to 14. If the car does not come with the original navigation, you need to change the resolution to 17 or 18. Other than that, it will be fine. And now you need to install the navigation. First of all, you need to copy the map from our website, and then you can copy the map to here. First of all, you need to delete the original map from the system first. Hold this one to delete it. Uninstall the app. And then go to File Explorer. Go to tiny home button here. There's a tiny home button here. Click on that one. And then 0 is the hard drive. The second one is the USB that you connect to the system. Click on this one. Go here, hold on it, and then delete the original map. Now it's ready for us to install the new map. How to do that? Just go back, click on the home button again, go to USB, copy, and paste it to the hard drive. Paste. And then wait until you finish. Hi everybody, now we can see that the map file, the navigation folder is already copied to the unit successfully. Okay, first of all, we need to click inside to the folder. Make sure there's 15 files here. If you're missing any of this kind of file, that means you're not download the file properly. You need to re-download the map file from our website. Okay, and then we can click on this one. Click on install. Click on install again. Once you finish this one, you need to open the navigation. Make sure it's working. Now it's successfully. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install the software application. You can download the application from the Google Play Store, or maybe you can download from our website. How to do that? Just click on apps. First of all, to download all the application to a USB, and then go to the File Explorer again, go to Home button again, go to the USB, navigate to the folder that you put the application. Okay, for example, right now, you need to click on this one. We are going to install this one. You can see that the version that already installed in the system is 17.9, and the one that you're going to install is 22.4. That means this is newer version. Then you can click on this one, click on this one too. And then once it's done, then it will be fine. And then click on done, and then click on this one, and then click on the setting. First of all, you need to make sure the system, the camera, this is the system. If your car comes with the original camera, then you can change this one to OEM camera. If you are going to install the aftermarket camera, then you can change it to aftermarket camera here. This is the brightness here. You can adjust the brightness here. Okay, you do not need to change this one. If you want to change the temperature, then you can change the temperature unit right here. All right, and then if you want to change the mile, then you can, of course, you can change it from here. Change the unit selection here. All right. All right. If you guys have any question, please contact us on AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.